is a video on the Camco Cyclone. You get the top and bottom and 3 screws that come with it. And this is for the vents. These are for the vents for your roof of your RV. Here's the one that came off of mine, kind of screwed up. 3 years in Florida, did that already. I choose to put it on a little bit differently than what the owners show. There's a video on Camco showing this on the 360 vent. And while I don't want to say that it's wrong, I think that it doesn't hold the ring down, because what they have you doing is pulling this unit up, marking it, putting it on, putting the ring down, marking it, and then lifting the ring up, screwing it in, putting the ring down, and then sealing around it. I did things a little bit differently. Pulled it all apart, and then what I did was I sealed this ring to the roof with the tape that you can buy from Camco. I then put the Cyclone down. I trimmed all the little ears off of the roof, then trimmed it down, and then what I did was push this roof piece on so that it lines it up, marked it, okay, and then drill 3 holes. Now I'll seal that, and then it'll hold that ring down. Before you seal it, you clean your roof with denatured alcohol, and then the end result is something that looks like this. The white silicone on the top is just silicone sealant that is from Lowe's, something that you can buy. And the only reason I chose to do that was because they were both plastic, and I didn't want to use up all the die-core sealant. The other sealant on the bottom is a die-core self-leveling sealant that I put on. So I hope this helps somebody with the install. The screws now will hold down that ring because they are up top, and then that self-leveling sealant will now be down. So I think that'll seal it up. I'll make another video because I have to replace the skylight. I'm also going to replace this Max Air fan with another fan with a newer style. I hope this helps somebody.